Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we are gonna discuss how to check if a list of integers contains only odd number. Okay, so if a list of integer contains only odd number, then return true. Else, if it is containing a single even digit or even number, then return false. Okay, so this kind of interview question you will get in as a fresher level, so we'll see how we'll achieve this one. Okay, so for that one, let's take a method which will return boolean as a return type. Okay, so public boolean and check contains odd only. Okay, so I have taken a method is contains on odd only, and let's have a parameter integer input. Okay, so how we'll check this one? So first we'll iterate this list. How will iterate? Using for loop or for each also. So this is for each loop. Let me take this for each loop and integer I colon, we need to pass this input. Okay, so what is the requirement? Integer contains only odd number. List of integers contain only odd number. So that means if it contains any of the even number, percentile to equal to 0, return FALSC. Means if it is containing any even number, then return false. Then it is not containing only odd numbers, it's containing even also. That's why we're returning false. Otherwise, we need to return true. It should be outside of the for loop. Okay, return true. So we have done this programming. Now let's test. Let me take a main method where we're gonna check this one. Okay, so let me take this one a static method, so that without creating object we can call this method from that main. Okay, and here I need to pass a list of integer. So how we'll do this one? Arrays. So arrays is a utility class which contain lots of utility methods. Arrays as list. So let's first send 5 7 9. So 5 7 9, it contains only odd digits or odd numbers, so that's why it will return true. So let's print this one. System.out.println and let's have this one. Okay, so let me run this one. Run. So it will return true. Okay, so it's running. Let's see. Okay, so just see, it's returning true. So let's test something else. Let me add here 4. 4 is an even digit, so if you'll run now, it will return false. Okay, so it's running. Let's check. Okay, so yep, just see, it's returning false. Okay, so this is one way. This is without using Java 8, but the same thing we can achieve in Java 8 as well. Okay, so this is very important. Let's see how we'll achieve the same thing. using Java 8. Okay, so in Java 8 also multiple ways we can have the same code is contains odd only using Java 8. Okay, so let me remove this entire thing. So how I will do this one? First input dot stream, then any match. If any of the element is matches with this expression, whatever the expression will pass inside any match. Number number percentile 2 equal to 0. Okay, so here we'll provide a return statement. Okay, so input dot stream, then any match, any of the element, if it is satisfied this condition, if that number is divisible by 2, then return true. Okay, but for this expression we want return as a false, because if any of that element is divisible by 2, if it is 2, then we need to return false, but in this statement it will return true. Okay, so for that one we need to have a not, the not operator, right? Then we'll have the same answer. Okay, so let's run now. Run, and we're gonna see. Just see, it's returning false because it's containing 4. Now let's remove this 4 and we'll run. Now let's run. Okay, just see, it's returning true. Like this we can have multiple ways in Java 8 also we can do, right? So hope you got this question, how we'll achieve this solution, right? Okay, so thank you for watching. Have your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, have a nice day.